Hi guys, this is Madhusan and I am here with yet another great opportunity for all the AI enthusiasts to participate in a virtual Artificial Intelligence Agriculture Hackathon organized by Government of India on the occasion of World Water Day in association with Google and HUL. On the occasion of World Water Day, which is celebrated worldwide on 22nd of March every year, my government, Google and HUL want to partner with you to take AI solutions to the field of agriculture. 80% of India's fresh water is used in agriculture. Water is integral to India's food security, and it is critical to improve the efficiency of its use. The aim of this event is to catalyze solutions that can reduce input use and transform farm returns. Participants shall develop ideas and build prototypes to solve key challenges faced by farmers in water usage and sustainability. In addition to HUL's insight and Google's hardware and technical support, the selected participants will receive ongoing support through partnerships, technical advice, funding and in-market testing right up to launch. So guys, this program commences with a 3-day virtual workshop from 22nd to 24th of March 2021. The workshop brings Google Tech to agricultural startups and corporations to brainstorm and prototype to solve the key solutions faced by farmers today when it comes to water usage and efficiency. Possible focus areas, challenges to solve for are input, water wastage, market, sales of yield, and crops. The participants shall be provided with the infrastructure and support for solutions to be built along with artificial intelligence tools and platforms including TensorFlow, Coral, Jacquard, and Google Cloud. By the end of the hackathon, we expect to have multiple prototypes to take forward and roll out to the field to test and further develop them. The registration closes on 17th of March 2021. The virtual hackathon will be held between 22nd and 24th of March 2021. Your solution must be able to tackle these 4 problems. Does the solution adequately tackle the problem statement? Will the solution be easy to use and accessible to farmers? Can the technology deliver on the product promise? Is the solution scalable enough? The selected prototypes and teams will get an opportunity to partner with HUL and Google to further develop prototypes to products to platforms to roll out to farmers in the field for long-term impact. So all the artificial intelligence enthusiasts, roll up your sleeves and get ready for the agricultural hackathon organized by Google and Government of India.